Hello, everyone. I have been out of contact for a while because I had a lot of changes going on in my life. Uh, won't go into the details, but my mom's living with me now. So, been taking care of her. She's 90 years old, suffers from dementia and Alzheimer's. So, uh, brother couldn't take care of her any longer. So it fell to me to do that. So, plus I've been working a lot this summer, and I had to I couldn't do both, work on my cars and work on my job, and because it's a physically demanding job. Haven't got much done then. There's some videos I've made, progress I've made. Uh, Show you one thing I've done that I was happy to get accomplished, and that is the gas tank here. This was the gas tank that was rusted out in the bottom, and I found a welder. You can see he got it all nice and welded up, and it's sealed, it doesn't leak. And I'm going to be, my next thing to do with it is to get it all scrubbed down real good, sanded and painted. Of course, put the Pour 15 in the inside, like I did the other tank. I don't know if I've even posted that one yet. But then Moss finally sent me their tank. It's over here in a box back there. That box back there is a brand new tank. I'm trying to decide whether or not I want to just go ahead and use the one that's rusted and fix it. That way it's the original tank, or do I want to do it, put in their new one? The only thing is the tank I got from Moss was damaged. Little tabs on the ends were bent, which didn't make me happy, but I think I'm probably gonna, I don't know, maybe I'll just hang on to it, and I'll go ahead and restore the one I got. I'll put it back on, use it, and I'll keep that one in storage, and then when it decides to start leaking or something, then I'll replace it. I know that's kind of silly, but I'm like that. I like to keep things as original as possible if I can. The other thing is, I haven't been able to work like I'd like. It's not been easy, but I'm doing other things. I've got a sailboat back here, and I've been doing a bottom job on it. Slowly progressing. I don't know how well you can see that, but I'm getting close. And I have the paint for it right there. $200 a gallon. But I was hoping things would settle down. It's finally gotten cooler. And there's stuff I still want to get accomplished on it. Seats are still waiting. I was able to acquire some 69 Triumph TR6 seats. I don't know how well you can see those. These are original seats, and they're in really good shape, except for a little tear down there on that one, the driver's seat, which I'm going to take in and have redone at an upholstery shop. Otherwise, they're in really good shape. That's all I've got for now. I'm going to try to get this posted today. I'm not going to do any fancy video editing or anything like that with this. I just want to get it out and let people know, hey, what the hell's going on? Why did you stop posting? And life events can change how you do things and how you get things accomplished. So that's kind of where I'm at. I do like I do like sailing. It's fun. Uh, I like working on sailboats. That's fun too, but it's hard work. And a guy my age, you get worn out pretty quickly. So I appreciate your patience and we're having to wait so long for me to get this video out, but you know, things happen. So thanks for watching. There will be more. I have not died. I haven't gone away. I mean, I've just been busy and I just haven't had time to do much and to be able to share it. I've got several other videos that I have not posted of things I've done. You know, I think the last thing I posted was getting the window mounted on the red guy. I've also decided it's going to have to be repainted. There's just too many problems with the paint. They did a nice job. It was some students at a school. You know, this is the last thing I got done. At least that I think I posted, if I remember correctly. So, yeah, you like this? That was a dumb thing for me to do. I tore it so that it would lay over the windshield and just leave the windshield out. And I measured wrong. And so it would leave the end of the canvas, you know, exposing the front half. So I redid it. It was just, you know, I could buy a cover for it, but I'm cheap. What can I say? I think that's all I've got for now. Like I said, thanks for tuning in. There is more to come. I think this winter I'll have more time because once it gets cold enough, I won't be working on sailboats for a while, and I'll need something to do besides making sure my mom gets her pills every day. She is doing fine. For somebody who's 90 years old, she's not doing too bad at all. So, thanks again. And we'll see you in the next video.